Hey guys, it's me, Wolf, and you can probably tell by the title and the length of the video that this isn't a Stronghold Crusader build. The purpose of this video is to give you a quick update on how I'm going to handle this channel in the future. I'm not sure if anyone is interested in this, but for the one person that is, I wanted to tell you that I'm sadly not going to be able to upload this frequently anymore. Now don't worry, I'm not sick or anything like that. I simply started a new job 2 weeks ago and I still need to figure out how to manage my time. I personally would love to spend every minute of the day on my builds, but that obviously doesn't work and I really do want to continue making these builds. But yeah, it's gonna take me longer than usual. And I have a question which I would like to hear your honest answers to in the comments. Would you be interested in a Stronghold Crusader challenge run where I only use buildings that I've already built as miniatures in real life? I thought about this some time and a comment under one of my videos mentioned this as well, and I gotta say I really like that idea. Now, I would totally understand if you were to say something like, look, I'm here for the miniatures and not for you or your gameplay videos. And I agree, I wouldn't be here for me either. It feels so weird to say this, but I think to be able to enjoy these gameplay videos, you have to like how I give my 2 cents on the game. Also, the format of these gameplay videos would probably be like an old school let's play where one mission is 1 episode or something like this. So yeah, just let me know what you think about that in the comments. I hope we'll see each other again very soon and thanks for watching.